Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily fix that YouTube is taking a lot of storage on your iOS device. So here I do have two fixes for you. The first one is to remove the downloads from your application. At first we need to open YouTube here and go to our profile in the bottom right corner. Here scroll down to downloads, and here as you can see we do have video downloaded. We can tap on these three dots here, tap delete from downloads here. And this is the first tip. The second tip, if you don't have here anything and YouTube is big, you have to just reinstall this application. Hold the finger on YouTube and then tap or delete that. Then you just have to install this application back again. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.